How's it going, everybody? Hunt from Theme Park Hunting here, and we're back with another vlog. It's been a long time since I've done a vlog, but we're back. It's finally Anaheim, Florida. It's around 90 degrees today in March. That's a bit extreme, but we're going to be doing something cool today. For my first ever time, I know it's crazy. I've been a Florida local for years, and this is the only really, I'd say, like, high quality spot I have not visited in Florida, and that is Blizzard Beach Water Park at Walt Disney World Resort. I've never been, and right before I turn 18, I think it's funny that, hey, at least I could say I visited as a kid. We're going to Blizzard Beach for the first ever time. It's gonna be great. I got my GoPro, bringing on all the sides. We'll see my reactions to everything. We're meeting some people there. It's gonna be a blast. Let's head over to Blizzard Beach, and I'll see you guys when I get there.
Cue tracks.
Let's have a good day. Happen? Oh.
Cue tracks.
Holy crap! Let's see if this thing has impact. I'm interested. Here we go. Okay, let's see this. Oh my god!
Cue tracks.
This thing's insane. This thing's insane. Vibing on Runoff Rapids. This is nice. I needed this slide. All the other slides have been pretty exciting. This is just relaxing. Oh, this is nice. Oh, the slide not end, please. There we go. Little bump. Nice. Whee! This is nice. Oh, big bump. And oh, that's nice. I like that. I'm relaxing on the sky lift by myself for a minute, and you know, this first of all, my new personal favorite water park. I think I can say that here. All the slides are so good. I'm gonna give a detailed view here while I'm on the ski lift. But like, what water park has us to the top? My biggest fan of water parks is all the walking you usually have to do. This one, you have a nice, beautiful sky to take you up there. And it's so, so nice. Now let me just say this. Some slides here are so good. Toboggan Racers is a great slide with the big triple down, and it's racing. The racing's so fun. You know, it's always fun to race your friends. Snowstormers, the head first racing mat slide, so much better than I expected, I'll be honest. You go so fast down each and every turn and dip, super good. Teamboat Springs, another big surprise. It's so long, and that's why I love it. And it has these little secret moments, as you saw. It's like this big double down, some big drops in there. It's super nice. It's so relaxing. Like, it's just such a fun ride. Speaking of relaxing, Runoff Rapids. It's a great break when you've done all the slides. All three of them, even the closed one's my personal favorite, but all three of them, you're just going down, you go over some of the bumps, you're just relaxing as you go down the slide. It's so fun. All three of them are so great. Downhill Double Dipper, another one of my personal favorites. Super short, literally a big old double down, but the airtime you get there is super good. You go super fast at the end, such a blast. And then the two headline slides. Slush Gusher, what a slide. You go down those two dips, and that last dip, you float over that slide, and it is so good. And you're in the air for a solid second or two, and it's great. Summit Plummet. What can I say about Summit Plummet? What a rush. That's what I'm going back here to do. You go down this huge drop, and you're just sliding down the whole thing. It's such an absolute blast going on Summit Plummet. Probably my personal favorite here. Oh no, that, Teamboat Springs, and Slush Gusher are my top three here. Absolutely love it, this park. Loving it. And we're just gonna get some more rides on all the slides here.
Q Tracks.
Best start to the ride ever. Oh, let me try that. You gotta ride the current, okay. Ride the current, I can't do it on this turn. On the other turn. Airtime. Ride. Swing. Swing. You gotta lean into it. Bump. Bump. Whee. It's not so relaxing. I love it. Ride the current. Here we go. I have not had that much fun at a water park in a long time. What a day here at Blizzard Beach. Such a blast. All the slides here, as I said, on that chairlift is so good. They all are amazing. It was an amazing time, and I will definitely be back here soon. But as always, guys, thank you for watching the video. As always, it's 100% Theme Park Hunting. I'll see you guys later, and follow this girl.